Hello, here we are at the Ubuntu booth at the CES, and what I've got here is the Ubuntu running on a smartphone, and if you like I'm going to run you through some of its features. So this is what you see when you turn the phone on the first time. So as you can see, it's very uncluttered, clean. There are no buttons anywhere on the front, so no hard keys, no soft keys, and that is because we don't need them. We use each and every one of the edges to give you access to the phone's functions. For example, if I swipe from the left, I get instant access to my favorite applications. On the top I see a row of system icons. I can access them as well. If I swipe from the right, I go back to previous screen, and the bottom edge belongs to your application. So let's have a look at some of the apps. So Gallery app is brand new, and we created this to showcase our latest thinking on how apps on phones should work. So again, you can see it's really organic, clean. There's clear typeface here. If I start scrolling, everything else disappears. There are no distractions. Now I want to browse my photos. I don't need any buttons or controls to clutter the screen. So how is it possible? It's possible because we use the bottom edge of the screen to give you access to relevant options. So if you're an app developer, this is what you can use to what I need. So there's edit, there's delete, and share. So this phone is social from the start. So sharing to Facebook is built into the system, and if any app can use that functionality. Now, the top is the system icons. So on the phone, usually, if you have an iPhone, changing settings is really tedious. You have to go home, find the settings, and so here on Ubuntu, if you see it, you can use it. So if I want to access those icons, it's right from the top. I highlight the one I want to access, and then pull down. So for example, changing Wi-Fi, so easy. Or if I want to see my battery, it's there. And I swipe the menu away, and I'm back at what I was doing. The same thing with messages. This is a one destination for all your messages. It doesn't matter where they come from, email, Skype, SMS. And it's not just a boring list of messages. If I tap on one, it expands, and I can reply to messages straight from the menu. And when I'm done, I push it away, and I'm back at what I was doing. So it doesn't disrupt your workflow at all. Okay, multitasking, the last thing. So from the left, I can launch into a new app. So logically then, how do I get back to the previous app? We found in user testing that people often won't flick between last 2-3 apps. So I pull from the right, and I go through my applications like as if a stack of cards. And if I push a little bit further from the left, I get to home screen. This is where I can manage all my applications. I can see all of my applications. You can even install new ones. If I swipe sideways, I find my videos, other type of content. So home is where everything is aggregated. With one swipe, you see the most important information. There's one for people, where we have integrated Facebook status using the people's contact data. And obviously there's music as well. So everything is based on the side swipes. And now if I want to go back to the app, it's still there on the right. And I want to go back to home screen, I push from the left. I want to access system, it's here on the top, and the bottom belongs to the apps. So that is the quick tour of the Ubuntu phone.